How to use Facebook Marketplace. So the Facebook Marketplace actually looks like this icon. And once you have clicked on it, you can see in here your marketplace. So right here, it will show you all the picks that you have available on your location. As you can see right here, I have in here some washing machine as well as some iPhone. So whatever you search on Marketplace will eventually go and then put right here. So for example, if you search in here for car, you can browse in here and then check in here some card you may want to purchase. And then once you have interacted with enough of them, once you have refreshed your marketplace in here, it will show you new things such as cars right here that have searched for earlier. So if you want, you can go and search for something and then it will automatically choose the picks for you that you can choose from. So in order to interact with a particular product, you can click on that. And then you can write in here a message and then send it to the seller in order to know if it's already been sold or it's available already. So that's how you use Facebook Marketplace. Hope we help.